Alright, I'm scouting out a new place to camp, stealth camp, we'll see how that goes. And I thought maybe somewhere around here. What do you think? Maybe I should talk to my attorney first. Alright, I'm scouting around the police department here on this crooked path. I wonder what that resembles or means. As I'm walking around here, I'm getting that feeling that I'm being watched by some kind of surveillance camera. I mean, let's look at that antenna up there. So far, it's been either an impenetrable wall of plants or a total drop-off. I mean, it goes down 10-20 feet easily. Okay, I'm here in Menomonee Falls. They don't allow overnight parking, so... Oh, that's better. I'm going to do a little walk around and see what's going on, because over here we got this camper, and he's been parked here for a while. So I don't know what's going on, if they're enforcing it or not, but we'll find out. Hopefully there'll be no knock at my window tonight. Okay. Gonna do a little checkup here on my time-lapse camera. And everything looks good. Battery on this one dies all the time. We can see they have a lot of surveillance here. Look at this ridiculous tower they have. Here's this weird monument they put up. Kind of a half circle kind of thing. I don't know what it means. Looks like this is their SWAT vehicle, surveillance vehicle, and then we've got a staff-only parking here. I'm on the other side, so it should be okay. Be okay. Well, Mr. Camper Van seems to be leaving. Heading into the Piggly Wiggly to get some needed supplies. Brat buttons, are they any better? What's the difference? Well, let's get them. Oh my goodness, a sale. And just what I need. Dear brats. Time for a little libation. Tonight's drink will be spotted cow. You can't get it outside of Wisconsin. Looks like that. Sorry about the lighting. Always have a bottle opener available. Maybe a good bottle opener. I think this is actually nothing comes easy. There we go. To a hard day. Oh, it's good. Okay, I had to move from the last location. A little too much police activity, so I'm in another quiet spot. We'll see how this works out. Plus, I was very nervous about having an alcoholic beverage in a vehicle. So here's my little story why I can't make a video every week. Okay, I got the chronic fatigue from COVID, and then things got worse. I got cancer. Nurse told me, don't worry, it's 95% curable. And the doctor says, but the kind you have is 70% curable. Okay. And it has a 70% chance of coming back. So that's why I need the beer. So I get GCB treatments, which are kind of painful. And next week they're going to put a camera in there and see how it's going. It's been a year and a half now. They say if you make it 5 years, you're cured. So I got 3.5 years to go. Let's hope for the best. Besides, I'm pretty sure alcohol kills nasty things. Alright, we're going to get dinner going in a little bit here. Alright, for cooking we're going to use the Instapot again. Not a sponsor. We're doing this all on my own dime. Power will be provided by my EcoFlow. Also not a sponsor, but we'll hang out there for some endorsements. Alright, it's time to get cooking here. There's a lot of beer in there, but never enough. I find these little pocket knives much better than any of the cutlery I have in my kitchen. This is Spyderco. You make it out. Need more light in here. And what I want to do is saute the brats in the butter and brown the sausage a little bit. And Johnsonville, also not a sponsor, will be helping me out tonight. 1. Two is a good amount. Get that focus back in. Okay. Using a yellow onion, chopped and ready to go. I'll poke a few holes in the sausage so it gets a little more beer flavor. It's running a little hot here, so pour a little beer in there, which we're looking forward to. 1 for the brats, 1 for me. And repeat until satisfied. Now the garlic clove. Okay, that is enough garlic. My eyes are burning a little bit. Could be the onions too. But I've noticed that there's not enough beer to cover the brats, which is so important. Okay, a little for the brats. Seal this puppy up. We're going to pressure cook it for 9 minutes. Okay, Instapot just beeped, that means it's done. So now I'm going to do a little pressure release. And we'll be having brats shortly. Alright, there's a little beep. That means the Instapot is done, which means it is beer brat time. We'll see how this works out. There's my brat, little onions and garlic on there. No complaints here. Like a wise man said to me once, I don't understand the science, but fire made it good. Of course, what's better than 1 brat? 2 brats. As more is always better. Okay, I'm going to set up a Patreon for anybody who wants to help support this, or me. And also, there'll be a link for the stealth camping t-shirts down below. So as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video.